Hey guys, Tiki Kev here. Listen, I want to give everybody just a little personal insight behind the scenes because you're always watching me build the bars. You're watching me install the bars. You're watching the finished product. So I want to take you behind the scenes a little bit and a day in the life at Tiki Kev's. And Patti didn't shower yet. Her hair's not done, so she doesn't want to get on camera. But here's what's going on. Back in, I guess it was January or February or March, I don't remember which, we found a tick on one of the dogs. So we usually take a fire starter and I put the tick on the counter and I burn them, let them pop, let them explode. So I did that, and we had Formica countertops a couple months ago. And I burned it, instantly melted when I hit it with a torch. Not a fire starter, I used a torch. So when Patti came home, I had, I don't know, maybe this shaker of salt over the hole. And she came home, she goes, "Why is that sitting there all by itself?" And I said, "Well, you're getting your new granite countertops." So we had new granite countertops installed this week. So the burn from the tick was there for a few months. So the new countertops went in. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. I forget what day, Thursday. So then all of a sudden, the Lazy Susan, it just literally fell off the track. So I fixed that this morning. And Patti went to use the stove this morning, and now the stove doesn't work. So now we have to go back out. And this stove's got to be 16 years old. The microwave's 16 years old, outdated. It's not working the way it used to. So Patti's been nagging me for the last couple of years to redo the kitchen. Well, little by little, it is getting done. And not because I want to, because I have to. So the granite tops are in. Today I'm working in the shop. I'm working on another bar. So she's going to go out. We're going to get a new stove, new microwave, and I'll put that in. And the dishwasher's brand new. I just put that in over the winter. The other one went. So the only thing left is the fridge and to get rid of this door, which I'm going to do. Maybe if I have time next week, I'll put a modern 6-panel Masonite door in there. And the little Snoopy head there, which that's Mia there. That Diesel chewed, trying to get to the cat. There used to be a cat door there, but Diesel chewed it. So I'm going to cut the bottom of the door off, and we're going to put some ink on the bottom of Diesel's feet and put his 2 front paw prints on it. There's Patti! And then I'm going to hang it up in the tiki hut. So that's just a little behind-the-scenes look here, what actually goes on outside of work. As you guys know, we hang out at the Tiki Bar a lot, but this year we've been so busy. We're still backed up, and today's July 4th, or 1st, rather. It's just been nonstop 7 days a week, which I'm glad for. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found that enjoyable. Money comes in, money goes right back out. So from inside the house at the Lost Island Tiki Bar, hope you guys all have a great 4th. I'll be posting many videos before then, but hope you all have a great day. It's Sunday. Tiki Kev out.